Hello kids, do you know what we use when we talk about things happening right now? That's called the present tense. Today, let's learn it in a fun way with examples. What is present tense? Present tense tells us about things happening now or things that happen every day. It is like talking about the current time. Types of present tense. Simple present. We use it for habits, facts, or daily routines. Examples: I eat breakfast every morning. The sun rises in the east. She plays with her toys. Present continuous. We use it for things happening right now. Example: I am reading a book. He is running fast. They are playing football. Present perfect. We use it for actions that just finished or things we have already done. Examples: I have eaten my lunch. She has finished her homework. The children have painted a picture. Present perfect continuous. We use it for actions that started in the past and are still happening now. Examples: I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been singing since morning. They have been playing cricket since 3 o'clock. Now, let's do some fun practice. I am going to tell you some sentences. You should guess and tell me what type of present tense it is. First sentence: I eat an apple every morning. Yes, it is simple present because this sentence says about daily routine. Next sentence: she is reading a storybook right now. Yes, it is present continuous because it is happening right now. Next sentence: she has finished her homework. Yes, it is present perfect because this action is done just before. Next, he has been playing cricket for 2 hours. Yes, it is present perfect continuous because this action started in the past and still happening now. Recap: simple present used for habit, fact, daily routine. Present continuous happening now. Present perfect already done. Present perfect continuous still happening. Great job kids! Now you know all about the present tense. Practice with your own sentence every day.